Today we're going to be talking about the expired call script. Probably the single most powerful script out of all of the tools and scripts that we could have, because it's the foundational script for the lead source that can make you the most money in the shortest amount of time if you really know how to do it and if you know how to utilize these scripts. So the reason expireds are so powerful, they already won a list. They've already decided to work with a real estate agent and pay a commission. There was just something that went wrong before. Either the agent, the house, the client, something didn't match up and they need a hero to come and save them. So a lot of this is mindset. So you need to be that real estate hero that is going to come and save them from not selling. All right. So with that, when you're calling it expired, first thing, of course, is always high energy. We've got to be high energy. You know, a hero wouldn't be like, hey, I'm here to save you. A hero is like, I'm here to save you. It's going to be amazing. La da 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 da. And we're going to go through the script. So energy has to be level 12, right? You're out of your mind. You're standing up. You've got your headset on. You're ready to rock and roll. You have a mirror. You have your scripts. You have your objection handlers. You're in an environment that's conducive to doing this. You've practiced. You're ready to rock. You're so excited because in your mindset, you've done your affirmations telling you the next call is going to be my next appointment. The next call is going to be my next appointment. And now you're about to make your first call. So we provide this script for you. We have an entire script book that's absolutely amazing that we offer through Brendan Bardick Real Estate Coaching. Check it out, use it, print it, put it in a binder, tape it up in front of you, learn this, and you'll have a ton of success in the real estate industry. So let's go through the script and we'll talk about the psychology of why it's designed the way that it is. All right. So the first part is you're going to call them up and you've got your intro. So, hi, I'm looking for their name. So, hi, I'm looking for John. Hi, John, this is Brendan Bardick with XYZ Real Estate Company. I was calling about your home on 123 Elm Street. I noticed it came off the market yesterday, and I was curious if you were still interested in selling the home. Okay? So curious if you were still interested in selling the home. Now, they're going to say yes, no, go to heck, whatever it might be. So whatever they just say, you just keep the rhythm of this going. So you go, great, okay, so they're going to say, curious in selling the home. Yeah, I'm curious in selling the home, but 10 people have called. 10 people called. There's only 10 people working in the entire area. That's amazing. So John, can you tell me why are you selling the property? We got to move. We got a job transfer to Arizona. I work for Amazon. I got to go. Got to happen as soon as possible. Okay, and did you have any offers? You know, have you had any offers? No, we haven't had any offers. Okay, not even a lowball offer. No, nothing. And you're going to act amazed and surprised. You're going to be like, nothing, no offers, nothing, huh? Were you having a lot of showings? Nope. Really? Okay, and then you're going to keep the rhythm. Don't pause too long. Were you? So the next one. So John, what do you think stopped your home from selling? It was the market, it was whatever it was, COVID-19, it was all these different issues. Really? So you think your home didn't sell because of the agent, or you think your home didn't sell because of the market? Okay. John, how did you happen to pick the last agent you listed with? It was the neighborhood expert. It was my friend, my cousin, my grandma, whatever it is. Okay. Just repeat it back to him and sound disappointed. Oh, the neighborhood expert. Now, you can take this a step further here and go, well, and because you're going to have this information up. And John, I'm sorry, I know all the top performers in the area. I never heard of XYZ person. Can you tell me how you came across them? Right? We're just setting a little bit of doubt like, hey, maybe I didn't have the best person because you're the best person. All right? So then you go for the closer. So John, we sell a lot of homes in that area and I'd like to view the property and explain the aggressive approach I take to get homes sold. I will be in your neighborhood this afternoon at 4. Would tomorrow at 1 work better for you? Today at 4, would tomorrow at 1 work better for you? Always doing an alternate close all the time. Okay? You know what? Tomorrow at 1. Okay, great. And so I can prepare an accurate net sheet for you. Can you tell me what you owe on the property? Yeah, I think we owe about $100,000. We need to know this because we need to make sure we know what we're walking into so we can prepare accurate net sheets for them. right? So this is an important part of the script. You need to know this number. You don't want to go into some crazy situation where they're upside down. You're walking into a short sell situation. You also want to be able to go in there confidently and provide them a very good net sheet. And that's a part of our entire listing system. Okay. And will all parties be there that are on title? Yeah, my wife will be here. Okay, excellent. That's very important. I'm glad that she's going to be there. Well, thanks, John. I look forward to meeting you and viewing the property tomorrow at 1 o'clock. Click. Right? So that's it. It's short, it's rhythm, there's 100 ways that they're going to try to get you off of the subject. You're going to keep the pace, you're going to be on it and fire. Now, we have 50 objections, the 50 most common real estate objection handlers in a separate script book. You can also get that at brendanbardickcoaching.com. It's absolutely amazing. It's going to help you bring a lot of value to your business. So check that out. And again, this just comes down to practice, 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 practice. Have fun with it. Have the psychology of it. If everybody's so scared of doing expireds, don't worry about it. They're supposed to be upset. They're not upset at you. They're upset that their home didn't sell. They're upset that they're getting all these phone calls at 7:30 in the morning. They're upset about the fact that they can't believe that they're having to deal with this because they almost are a little bit embarrassed that they made maybe not the best decision previously. So be their hero. Be the one that saves them from all of this. And you'll really enjoy it. The first couple are always going to be the toughest. Every day it'll get easier. Every day it'll get better. Every day it'll get smoother. And every day you'll have more and more success. So I'm excited for you. Use it, read it, memorize it, internalize it. But in the meantime, all you need to really do is just use it. Have it printed up, read it verbatim. You can have printed out sheets and make notes on it as you go along. They can't see you. They have no idea what you're doing. If you screw up, hang up the phone. If you have any issues, try again. There's going to be new ones every single day. That's the beauty of it. So I'm excited for you. And as always, I wish you great success.